Today in this video we are going to talk about the biomolecules. Bio means life, molecule means the chemical compounds. The molecules which is responsible or essential for the functioning of the cells and development of the cells and for the metabolism. Unless otherwise the cells biomolecules are there, the sustenance of life is very difficult. So the biomolecules are very essential for the living things. Whether it is a plant or animal, the biomolecules are necessary. Now we will see the components of the biomolecules. What are the components in the biomolecules? They are the major biomolecules is water, H2O, that is made up of 70% of the biomolecules represent water only. And then next thing is that is carbohydrate or otherwise called sugar. Carbohydrate is again divided into three types: monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide means that is the formula is C6H12O6, that is glucose. Disaccharide, fructose is the disaccharide. This is C12H22O11, that is two molecules of monosaccharide minus water molecule, like that. Polysaccharide is the multiples of monosaccharide minus two molecules of water molecule, that is polysaccharide. This is starch. Example is starch. So it gives energy to the energy. So the major function of the carbohydrate is energy giving substance: monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. Then the second thing is protein. So this is carbohydrate is made up of 2% and protein is made up of 15% of the, it is another major constant of the cell or the body. 15%. The protein is made up of 20 amino acids. So the major functioning of the body is done by the amino acids, and including nucleic acid and other thing, mostly it is made up of proteins. So the entire functioning of the body is made by proteins. So 20 amino acids, proteins. Then lipids. Lipids is made up of glycerol and fatty acids. That one molecule of glycerol is combined to three molecules of fatty acids, that is called lipids. The lipids is having long chain, and that's why it is hydrophobic. That's why it is not dissolved by water. Hydrophobic, water hating substance. Only the solvent for fatty acids and glycerol is benzene and ether. Only in benzene and ether the lipids will be dissolved. So this has long chain. This also give energy. Fatty acids give energy. In this, the that is good cholesterol. Fatty acids is made up of cholesterol also. There is good cholesterol and bad cholesterol is there. That also we have to understand. And then nucleic acids made up of RNA and DNA. Ribonucleic acid is having one molecule of oxygen, and DNA free from oxygen, deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA is made up of messenger RNA. Three types of RNA is there: mRNA, messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, rRNA, and transfer RNA, tRNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA. So the messenger RNA code the amino acids into proteins, and the ribosomal the transfer RNA transfers, that is it is helping for the building of the proteins, and ribosomal RNA is for maintaining the structure of ribosome. So these three things are available in the nucleic acid, and simultaneously DNA is also the deoxyribonucleic acid. This is free from oxygen, and the base pairs are here. RNA also having base pairs. This is made up of double helix structure, and this is single strand. RNA is made up of single strand. So we have to, both these RNA and DNA is made up of the base pairs called pyrimidine and purine. The pyrimidines are single ring structure. Pyrimidines are single ring structure, and purines are double ring structure. So the pyrimidines are cytosine, uracil, and thymine. These three are called pyrimidine, and the double ring structure called purine, adenine and guanine. So these are all called pyrimidine and purine, called basic base pairs. And regarding the structure, this is single ring, this is double ring structure. So as regards the thymine is in RNA, the thymine is replaced by uracil. There is no thymine in RNA, that is replaced by thymine is replaced by uracil in RNA. So in DNA, adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine are found. So uracil is found in RNA, that is the thymine is replaced by, so thymine is not found in RNA. This is regard to the structure. Now we will see the structure of RNA also. RNA and DNA we will see. Before that we will see the hormones and enzyme. The enzymes are the derivatives from the protein. Hormones and enzymes are the derivatives of protein. So the enzymes are helping for the lot of chemical reactions, and the enzymes are ending in ASE. So it is lactase, glucose, lactase, zymase, like that. All are ending in ASE. So the enzymes are helping for the chemical reaction, and the nucleic acids we are told that is 7%. The lipids are 2%. The lipid is made up of 2%. Nucleic acid 7%, and then the last one is called ions, that is the 4% ions. So totally these are all the entire thing is made up of 100%. So 70 to 15 lipids to nucleic acid 7 and 4. The ions are responsible for transporting the things, and the lot of the muscular activity, neural activity are all carried out by the ions, like the potassium, sodium, magnesium, iron. So many ions are there in the biomolecules. So now we will see the structure of the basic amino acids, that is pyrimidine and purine, that we will see. So the cytosine the cytosine, these are all single that is 6 sides are there, and it is in hexagonal shape, and this is called cytosine. Here it is the double bond, here double bond, so it is always called 2-oxy 6 amino. So here we have to, this is here N, that is we start from here 1, then 2, here 2 carbon double bond O, and then here nitrogen, that is 3. Their fourth place is carbon, here carbon is fourth place, and then here amino group is there, NH2, and then this is the fifth place. In the fifth place CH is there, and the sixth place CH. So this is called 2-oxy 6 amino, and amino 2-oxy will be there. The here oxygen is 2-oxy oxygen, and 6 amino groups are there. So this is called 2-oxy 6 amino. Then we will see 2,4-dioxy, that is uracil. Here we will see the uracil, hexagonal in shape, that is the first place is nitrogen, here nitrogen, the C2 here, then O, here it is ammonia group, NH, this is third place. Fourth place is C double bond O, the fifth place is carbon, and CH3, sixth place is CH. So this is called 2,4-dioxy, 2,4-dioxy, and the third one is called thymine. This is also hexagonal shape. It starts from here, nitrogen. The second is C double bond O, this is second place. The third place is nitrogen, 3, here C double bond O, and fifth place is C methyl group, CH3 methyl. So 2,6-dioxy and 5-methyl. So this is known as this is pyrimidine. This is called pyrimidine. These are all called base pairs. Then we will see the purine. The purine is only 2 base pairs are there. That is 2 rings are there. That is, one is having hexagonal in shape, another is having pentagon in shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So here adenine, that is, this is purine. 2-oxy 6 amino. This is 2-oxy 6 amino. Here one starts from nitrogen. Here one starts from here. That is N. Here 2 HC2. Here N3. In the fourth place it is C. Fifth place C. And then sixth place is also C. That is CH. So this is the double bond structure double bond structure here, and then nitrogen will be here. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then here 7, again 7 8 CH. This is 9th. So this is called adenine, and next one is guanine. This is hexagonal in shape, and here pentagon in shape, 1 2 3 4 and then 5. So here double bond structure. Here one starts from here, that is 1 nitrogen 1 C2, here NH2 NH ammonia group, and then here N third place, the fourth place is carbon, fifth place is carbon, sixth place is C double bond O, C double bond O, then here N7, here CH8, N9. So this is guanine. Guanine. So this is known as pyrin. So pyrin is adenine and guanine, and pyrimidine is cytosine, uracil and thymine. So these are all called the structure of the nucleic acids. The structure of nucleic acid is these 5 diagrams we have to mention. So with this we complete this video, that is biomolecules. So the once to repeat, biomolecule என்பது உயிர் வாழ்வதற்கு சேர்ந்த மூலக்கூறுகள் சேர்ந்தது. அந்த மூலக்கூறுகள் சேர்ந்தது எது என்றால் நீர் 70%, கார்போஹைட்ரேட் 2%, புரோட்டீன் புரதம் 15%, லிப்பிட் 2%, நியூக்ளிக் ஆசிட் 7%, அயனிகள் 4%. இவைகளெல்லாம் சேர்ந்ததுதான் பயோமாலிக்யூல். இந்த தண்ணீர் 70% இருக்கிறது, கார்போஹைட்ரேட் 2, புரோட்டீன் 15, லிப்பிட் 2, கொழுப்பு 2, நியூக்ளிக் அமிலம் 7%, அயனிகள் 4% இருக்கிறது. இவைகளெல்லாம் சேர்ந்துதான் பயோமாலிக்யூல் என்று அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. With this we complete this video.